So once tell me syntax of filter. I forgot filter. So tell me syntax of filter. How can I use? Tell the code. Because I told you, okay, in the function without filter, map, reduce, or nothing useful function only. Okay, function not useful if you don't know these three concepts. Which concepts? One of them is what? First of all, filter, map, reduce. Then you have one more concept called as lambda. Lambda is separate topic, okay, but lambda also you have to know. This if you know, don't also fine, but if you want to make your code very small, because starting I've seen how my code was little bit big also. If you want to reduce the lines of code where one symbol can make a changes there, for making odd not equal to, if I want even equal to, so one code if you write will be applicable for all programs like that. Okay, so if you want to make your code very small, you have to know these things: map, filter, reduce, lambda. Then upcoming topics behind local, global, all those things. Okay, so now let us just filter what will do. Just let me to intelligent fast. So a equal to, suppose I have some list, suppose 2, 3, 5. Why getting stuck? Suppose 2, 3, 5, 7, 12. Okay. Now if I want only what even numbers, how can I get to? First of all, with the function I want, not all those things. So def, take any name. Suppose E will take small name E. Should pass self there. Do I need to create class or no need a class? No need. Okay. Then next what now? Inside this one. I am inside or outside of this function? Inside the function. So this should be inside. If A or E are A mod 2 is equal to 0. So return what there? Return true. Okay. Else return false. Next. Next what? After this? Print. A is equal to any variable. Okay, we can take A also, you can take any variable. Suppose we'll take a variable n. N is equal to list filter. Only one person answering, others I don't know. Function name is what? E, comma A. That's it. Close again. Then print what now? Khatam. And this will give me what answers? Only what I'll get now? Even. If I want odd, I'll keep it place of equal to 0. No. Okay, this is the logic. So these programs you have to try with hands. Okay. So with seeing you try, without seeing also, please. Because this is the only topic which you have to understand in the functions. Without this function, it can't be called that you have done Python. In the Python, you have done the concept called as functions. Because function is not important. If you want to do the programs, the function is not important. Till now, starting onwards till now, have you not done even programs, even odd or something programs? Did I apply the functions topic there? No. But why are we applying here? To make our code very small. To make our code what? Very small. Where within one logic, I can write many things there. Okay. Where my program can be what? Sufficient. Like what? If I write something proper, that is a proper way of coding there. I have multiple, in my class, I have multiple students whom I want to call. I don't want to write it in separate register. One, suppose I have 30 students now. For 30 students, I have to create 30 registers. Huh? No. One register I'll maintain. In that one register, I will write 2 p.m. batch, 1 p.m. batch, 10 a.m. batch, all those things. I won't maintain separate registers. What the logic? Same thing here. One program will be having, in one program I have multiple things there. Like this I'll set up now. when you're buying, when you're constructing a room, a house, you'll only construct bedroom, hall, kitchen, or you'll not just a bedroom, or you'll construct everything. This year bedroom, after 2 years washroom, after 2 years kitchen. Will you have like this plan, or you'll construct everything at one time? Everything at one time. First washroom, then bedroom, then all those things, kitchen, all those things. Same thing here also. One time I'll write the program. How many times? One time. Then use it for what? Multiple times. Every time I won't write the code from that again starting and what's def, all those things. No. One time writing the code, using for multiple times. Okay, that part I'll show. First you understand this topic. Okay. How to take from multiple, from where to take all those things. I'll show. Okay. So filter part is done, clearly done. Any doubt is in filter topic? Okay. Now going with what topic now? Lambda. So clearly understand, okay? So when I'm saying don't write, okay, just to see the screen once. So before going there, lambda. The another name for lambda, people some call as what? Anonymous function. Okay, make a note of this one. Another name for lambda is what? Anonymous function. Spelling mistakes I wrote wrong. Don't worry, right? Y is not there. Okay, don't keep Y. Okay. Here in flow I wrote anonymous. Means unknown. Okay, done. So see properly. So what is the function? What are we doing in this program? A lambda function to calculate what? Sum of two numbers. Okay. Now, what variable I have taken now? F. You can take any variable. So here in my case, I have taken a variable name called as F. Starting, I wrote there what? Lambda. Now, how many variables I'm passing there? 3. What are the variables names? X, Y, Z. Then keep a colon there. Keep what there? Colon. Then if you want to do addition, X plus Y plus Z. Declare in time what I declare X, Y, Z. Suppose if I take X plus Y plus D, will work there? Can you do this X plus Y? Yes. And if you clearly observe, this Z became dim, little bit dim. Yes, means not, it is not active. Not active. But that much they won't ask you. So what I'm doing, X plus Y plus Z. Okay, now I want to print. So I'll take one variable called as what? R. So suppose I'll pass simply some values like what? Okay. What is the value I'm passing? X value how much? 3. Y value 10. Z value 2. What will happen here? In this case, 3 plus 10 plus 2. How much value? 15. Yes. So let us print the R value, print the F value now. R value. So what will come? Sum equal to how much? 15. So again run the code. So here if you want to take multiple values, you can take multiple also, not a issue. Same thing can do the program with the help of what? Multiplication also. Whereas equal to what? X, Y, Z. Where I've taken what? X into Y into Z. Then what I'll pass values 2, 3, 5. Then what is 2 into 3 into 4 into 2 into 3 into 5? 30. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. Okay. Fine here. Here also suppose Z I won't take. This also I'll keep in comment there. Suppose here can I pass like this? X into Y into Z. See there. Working there? No. But if I want to add, then how? Possible? No way. I have to create one more separate function there. Okay. Semicolon F also keep there. Working there? So again, you'll be hanging in the upcoming topic again. These things. But that's why I have created what there? 2 lines. Separately what? 2 lines. First for what? Addition. Next one for what? Multiplication. You can do whatever operations you want to perform. Okay. And you can take the value from the user, or you can pass the value from your keyboard. So make a note of this one program and copy it fast. Okay. Today also we have to do at least 10 programs, or at least 7 programs at least. Fine, done the program. Okay, doubt is there in this one program? No, na pakka. Ninth program is done. Now 10th one. So see once, okay, don't write. So what is the variable name I have taken here now? Max. You can take M also, you can take anything. Now lambda I kept there. How many variables I passed? 2. So x, if x less than y, okay, x, if what, x less than y, or else print what? Y value. Now x comma y, I want to take the x and y value from whom? From the user. So what will be my type there? Int type. So int of n, for n in input, enter the 2 values for what? X and y. Splitting by them what? Comma. Either you can split by what? Space also, or however you want to split, you can split. Then print what? Maximum value of what? X and y. Maximum value? No. That's why you can take any variable. For clarity, now I can change the what? M. So print first what? Value of what? X and y. So run the code now. So first time we'll keep something and out because you want a clear scheme there. So now run the code. Suppose we'll pass what value there now? Value like what? 4, comma 7. What is the meaning of this one? The value of x is how much? 4. And the value of y equal to how much? 7. Now check my condition. What I wrote? X, if x is less than what? Y. 4 less than 7. Starting I told x. So what will come? X value, which is what? 4. Okay. So run the code. No, I run the code again. Wrong it is. I have to press enter there. So 4, 7. Enter. So what value came there? Only 4. Why? Because x value is what? Less. Suppose we take some other different case now. Suppose we take the values what there? X value is what? 9 and y value is what? 6. Now 9 less than 6. So what value will come now? Y value. What is the value of y value there now? 6. So pass at the value there 9 comma 6. Point I pass there. So again on the code 9 comma. So what are you getting in this code now? Tell me once, understand. I didn't give the question for this program. So think once, what is this program for? Less value or greatest value or both? Both. What? Both. Here in this case, what I'll be getting depending upon my values I'm providing there. What values I'm providing. So if you want a less value, means what you have to pass x value what less. If you pass more, then y will come out. So in this nothing about the coding part. Okay. And better keep the what? Space only by because one mistake also something happening there. Okay. So last time, so we'll pass x value as 2 and y value as what? 5. So 2 less than 5. Yes. So what will come now? 2. So now you can print the value less than what, like these conditions you can write. This is a basic program where nothing with logic I wrote. Just checking what if value x less than y, print x value. If it is more, print what? Y value. So you can write the logic like this. If value less than x, print what? X value. Value less than what? Value more than x, print the y value. So you can write there. The largest value is what? X. The largest value is what? Y. But in this program, nothing you do there. Okay. Basic program. This is. Make a note of this one first of all. So everything is having a link now. Okay. Upcoming 4, 6 to 6 programs will be having a link. Yeah, up to 7 programs will be having a link of this one, Lambda. Yesterday only in the group, only 1% send it, practice and send it. Saraswati. Others not having laptop. Huh? Then proof. At least today, okay. Sit to practice by night, whatever time it is, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, whatever it is, upload, then sleep. Or else I can say what simple language, 80% of your Python. These topics are what important when you're working for company, I'm saying you. Without this function also can write the code. But this is the actual way of writing the code I'm saying. If you even check your hacker rank also, if you have checked hacker rank or whatever it is, they write the code like this way or they write basic hello world something and come. So Monday first we'll start with what? Monday class, Monday or Tuesday, whatever. Once you complete the functions topic, we'll start with what? Solo done. That will try to finish it in what? 2 days. Okay, this is my upcoming target. In the class you have to solve, okay, because I don't know how many people done, not done. So solo done will try to finish it in what? 2 days. Okay, but first you have to complete what? Functions topic. Okay, after completion of functions topic, whatever my topics are there, then we have to go with what? Solo done. That will finish it in what? 2 days. One topic, whatever will take 2 to 3 hours class, we'll try to finish it in what? 2 days. Then again we'll go back to what? W3 schools. Because there we have just to solve up to what? Few things. We didn't solve a class, functions, all those things. So we'll go there again. That will try to finish it in what? 2 days or 1 day it is, whatever it is. Maximum what? 2 days. We have to finish. Then we'll go to again what now? hacker rank. So I told you in hacker rank we have to maintain how many star ratings? 3 star. So maximum I think na, if we take 2 to 4 hours class or 3 hours class, within 1 day we can get to 3 star ratings. 15 programs, 20 programs if you solve enough khatam. Basic programs only if you solve, easily can get what? 3 star ratings within what? Within 3 hours. Okay. So hacker rank you can just spend 2 days. If you're slow learner or whatever it is, we spend 2 days. Then you have to go with what? Code chef. See, code chef is again very big. Again, hatching also, hacker rank is there for all again. Code chef also very big. So for code chef, again, we have to spend how many days? At least 2 days. Totally how many days? And those you can solve on their own, okay, fine. But totally will take 8 days and this water more 8 days. So by December, not December, by January 25th or 20th, you can expect these things to be done. Okay, now. So by this month, your Python will be done. But these things will be followed, okay? Whether you're coming or not or whatever it is, this is a thing, okay? These things you have to keep in what I told you. Yesterday we discussed in the resume part. These things you have to keep. Then no worrying about the resume part. Khatam. What you write there. Because they focus on what? Technical skills. Khatam. These things I'm keeping more what you want there. Then repeat account already I think you're having 30-40 programs you won't have there. Copy and paste. Hackerang same thing. Okay, but Hackerang at least you have to solve at least 10 to 15 programs from your own. Remaining just can tell you. Separate accounts. So I told you need to have how many accounts? 4 accounts. And some people they got stuck here in Soladan because of some points or something there. That's why I want to do in the class also there. Okay. Line by line we'll solve these things. Okay. Fine, clear now? Upcoming target, whatever it is. Okay. So this first part is clear now. Let me make it proper now. Now, clear screen. How many arguments I passed there? 2. Here nothing I'm missing. No function, nothing. Okay. Basic program. No function, nothing. Okay. A comma B. How many variables? 2 variables. How many values you have to pass? 2. So A comma B equal to what type I have taken data type as int. And what I'm saying enter 2 numbers because I have taken what? A variable of 2. Then splitting them by what? Space only I'll keep there because I don't want like this all these things. Splitting by what? Space. Then what I'm saying print bigger number is. So we have in a built-in function called as what? Max. Max will print what? Biggest value or the highest value you can say. So now run the program. So pass values like what? 6 space 9. What's the maximum value here? 9. Okay. You can have a space also just to. Okay. Now, if I pass, suppose again, like what? 14 and 1. What's the maximum value here? 14. Run the code again. 14 and suppose 3. What's the maximum highest value here? 14. So are you applying any logic here? No. Simply using what method there? Max. Okay. Now you want to take multiple values and then try to find which is the maximum value. Then how again now? Okay. So I'll take how many values now? A single variable now. Okay. How many variables? Single variable I have taken. Now if I do max of A, what I'm doing now? Max of A. So clear screen once. So let me pass the values. Suppose like what? 7, 3, 2, 7, 3, 1, 8, 2, 6, 9, 13, 16, 11. In this, what is the maximum value? 16. Got the logic? And here nothing we applying, okay, in this program. Just taken one variable, single variable, then trying to find what? Maximum value or the highest value. Okay, copy these 2 lines. So again, I have to check back. I have to go. A single variable can have multiple values or not? Yes. And the same code, I can just make what smaller also. Let me show here itself. Smaller number is, or smallest number is. In place of max, I'll keep the what now? Min. So let me pass some values. Tell me some values. 6, 9, 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. What is the maximum value here? 9. Minimum value how much? 2. Okay. Done. Already this one done. What is the answer of this one? Maximum value how much? 50. Minimum value 20. But if you don't know what value you want to get, maximum value or minimum value, then you can apply this thing. Here, depending upon what their maximum or minimum, you don't know what value you are taking there. Okay, x value or y value. What will happen in this case? If x is less than y, what will happen? X value gets printed. If it is more, what will come there? Y value. So depending upon this, you can write the logic there, printing there. Okay, now moving to 11th one now. Now applying what? Lambda plus filter. So list one having how many elements? Check one's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I have taken what values from the keyboard, not taking from the user. Okay. Then list one, what I'm saying, we can take other name also. We'll change after a few minutes. What is the type I've taken there? In type. So for x in input, splitting by them what? Spaces. So this will keep in not now. So list 2 I've taken one variable. So past, what I want to convert list. I want the data into what? In the form of a list. Filter command applied. Then lambda x value. X value whatever you want to pass. Means what here? X value I'm taking from what? From the user there. So x mod 2. What are the values are there? If it is equal to 0, print what? Even. So what is the method name? What is the variable name I'm passing there? What? List 1. So print list 2. I have kept comment for what? Third line there. So now run the code. What got printed there? Check once there. Only what now? Even numbers. Like what? 10, 46 and 70. For a clarity purpose, tell me some values. Tell me some numbers. 2, 7, 4, 1, 8, 13, 16, 19, 21, 24 also. Okay. Now, in these numbers, what are the even numbers? Tell me once. 2, 4, 8, 16, 24. Yes or no? So now run the code. So applying here what? Lambda. Okay. Here what? Just lambda. Without lambda also can't we do this program? Then how? Tell me once now. Difference observe. Yesterday's program, today's program. That's the main thing. That's why starting at the class only I wrote the lambda program, filter command program. How many lines I wrote there? 4 lines. Yes or no? Starting of the coding only we start. Today's class. I wrote like this na. Def E, I'm making a function. Then calling that function here, writing the what if we have taken one variable, suppose a, or here what list, suppose here what is the variable you have taken here, list 1, list 1 mod of 2, it is equal to what, 0. Then printing the what, return true, or else return false. Then next what you wrote again, take some variable outside the function now. Suppose like what, n equal to what now, list filter, function name is what, e, variable name, okay, list 1. That's it, close here. Then try to print what now, and will give what, only what now, even numbers. So how many lines I have to write there, 1 2 3 4, 4 lines suppose. And here how many lines now, 1 line. That is the main advantage of what, lambda. So write both the code, this code and this code, then only get an idea why we are going to lambda. See how to know why lambda using. So lambda will make what, more reduce the lines of code. In one line our answer will khatam, in one line only. So write both the codes, okay, then only you get idea why are we learning the lambda part. 90% chance to get confused, okay. What is the chance of getting confused? 90%. That is why I'm asking you, practice same program daily at least 2 times, then finish that program, then you can close sleep. Or else from tomorrow you don't come. But I told you, without this function topic is not done. What concepts are important in the functions? 5 I told. Tell me them names fast. Lambda, filter, map, reduce, and lambda is 1, filter, map, reduce. 4 only. Come. Global, local, okay, that is also there again. Over writing one program or 2 programs, or keeping arrow mark from there, that page to this page, refer page number 2, refer yesterday's topic, writing there. These things you have to write with your hands, I'm saying you, okay. After writing with hand only, then type, or else forget this topic, you'll understand. Hopefully I'm telling you, until you write with your hand, this topic you're not going to understand. Done. So next time onwards, you'll be applying this logic or this logic, lambda. What's the difference there? Just you have to pass the variable name. Can we change the variable name now? Yes or no? So we'll make us what name? Suppose we'll take as what? A. So pass it what here also? A. And here what I'm doing simply now, instead of checking like this, if else all those things, simply I can take here what another variable name. Suppose like what here? B. Okay, I can take B now. Okay, so B. Now first I'll pass list command. List, I can take tuple also. I'm taking list. Pass there what? Filter. Then lambda. How many variable I've taken here? 1. Okay. Then colon x mod 2. If it is equal to 0, print what? All the even. Then pass the variable name, where the elements are stored in a variable called as what? A. Then print it. We'll get what? All the even numbers. Okay. But now suppose you want to take the input from the user now, not from the keyboard. So I'll take the what? A variable. So now, how many values can I take? as many as you want. Okay. So tell me some values. 5, 8, 12, 15, 16, 23, 71, 88. Okay. Enough. In this, what are the even values? 8, 12, 16, 88. Yes or no? What are the odd values? 5, 15, 23, 71. So if I want odd, what I have to do then? Now, what can't I do like this also again? Take one more variable C.